Hello, I wanted to share this quick video on how I achieved my updated Frenchie. Before I start, I do want to say shout out to all my new subscribers and all my day ones. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Remember to like, share, comment, show some love, and I'll show some love back. But thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy. Notice I just attempted to draw where I wanted my French to start in the middle or end at the bottom of my nail, and then I started to line it on the side here, and then I tried to like curve it over to that middle line that I made, and I tried to stay in frame as much as possible. But here you can see I just tried to get the lines to connect, and then I just decided to make it easier and use the brush from the bottle of my polish to go ahead and fill the rest in to give it a smooth application there. And I couldn't get the bigger brush on the side. I didn't want to mess it up and cause like a bigger problem, so I went back in with my liner brush and cleaned up the sides here.
What I ordered versus what I
and let me see what liner brush did I use. I used a 25 mm brush, liner brush, and right now I'm just trying to like get the lines to be as pigmented as possible because it's kind of jelly around the smile line. So I also have some acetone, and I just cleaned up my line here on the side. You know what I realized, like doing my Frenchies before, like I would go all the way up on the side. It's just not a bad thing. It's just, I think I prefer this Frenchie where it kind of starts from the side of the nail instead of all the way up near the cuticle, like the back cuticle area. So I'd rather it start on the side. So right now I'm just smoothing out, cleaning up my lines here, and you can see the paint kind of moves, so I clean that up a little bit too, and then I have to like go back in with some polish to get that coverage. And if you guys know any black and white paints that are very pigmented, I don't know if I need to switch to like one of those gel pots, but this is some Model Ones polish that I had, and I've had it for a while now. Yeah, I have its Model Ones, and I think I got it from Amazon, but it worked great. I did have to, like after I cured it, I went in again with another layer, but it's really cute. Like, look at that. I'm very proud of my French. So you can see me curing it. I did cure it for a while. I think about like 60 to 90 seconds. I don't have like what it says exactly on the bottle here. Ooh. Oh, there you go. I don't know about the bottle. Well, it doesn't say it on the bottle, but I would imagine for at least 90 seconds. Like some of the Born Pretty polishes, they take about 90 seconds. So, rather be safe than sorry. And then you can see me going back in. Hey, look how pretty that is. Look at my smile line. I'm really proud of myself. I don't know if I could do this for like the whole 5 nails, but 1 or 2, I'm down. So yeah, y'all. This set came out really pretty. It was inspired from this like black and gold set that I saw. But thank you for watching.